By the generalization of the Faulhaber's formula, the zeta function of the critical line can be obtained, and the error of the zeta function decreases as the sum of the powers of natural numbers increases. Following calculating non-trivial zeros of zeta function, the zeta function in the range of the imaginary part greater than 120 and less than 180 on the critical line is calculated. The sum of the powers of natural numbers is 30,000, and if the Bernoulli number is calculated up to 6 terms, the error of the zeta function is more than 8 decimal places. From the Riemann hypothesis that the non-trivial zeros of the zeta function are on the critical line, the non-trivial zeros cannot but exist in the critical strip. If the real part is greater than 1, it diverges in a spiral as the imaginary part increases. The fact that all zeta functions and eta functions, including the gamma function, are symmetrical to the critical line strongly supports the Riemann hypothesis, but the possibility that the Riemann hypothesis is true increases even more by the inversion of gamma function relation. The gamma function relation of the zeta functions and eta functions can be inverted by the functional equation of analytic continuation, and is inverted by alternating the sine pars and cosine parts. The convergence value of the inverted function is shown at s equals 0 or 1, but at s equals 1/2, the sine and cosine of pi over 4 become equal to each other, and the inverted function changes into another zeta function or eta function. In the inversion of eta and odd eta functions minus odd eta function plus odd zeta function at s equals 1/2 becomes zeta function 4, 3. And by the inversion of gamma function relation of other eta and odd eta function, odd eta function plus odd zeta function becomes zeta function 4, 1. The inversion of the gamma function relation of zeta functions and eta functions clearly shows this transition relation. I do not think that all the mathematical facts related to the Riemann hypothesis shown so far prove the Riemann hypothesis, but the possibility that the Riemann hypothesis is true is very high.